and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a Valentine's makeup look, which is the drunk blush look. So I want to make something that's quick and easy, or something that's simple, and something that's last minute look. And I also wanted to make it like glowy and like it just looks a bit more effortless. So obviously this is the look that you will get when you drink or get drunk. And I added some details that I think that would look great with a drunk blush look. So that includes the soap brows, the juicy ombre lips, and also the faux freckles. That is totally optional for you guys if you want to do it. I just feel like it complemented the look so well. The inspiration behind this look is not everyone have a date on Valentine's Day, right? But you guys can still look all glam up having a date with your girlfriends or with your family and friends. Or if you just can't go because of this freaking COVID, then who cares? You can still look good and at the same time get drunk. Or if not, just look drunk, like this makeup look. I hope you like this look as much as I did. And if you want to learn how to do this drunk blush makeup look, then keep on watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm looking forward for you guys to try this look. And if you do, make sure you comment down below. Also, I want to do a shout out for a few people who have been commenting on my previous YouTube videos. I want to say hi to Alan Ladaran, Mary Jane Capisnon from Saudi Arabia, and Queen Y2. Thank you so much guys for watching and supporting. So if you guys want to get a shout out, make sure you comment down below. Again, happy Valentine's to you, my loves. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day on Valentine's Day. And it doesn't matter if you guys have a date or not. Remember that it is a day to celebrate with your loved ones, whether it's your family or friends, or just practice self-love and do this makeup look. And I promise you, you will feel better. I hope to see you guys next week. Don't forget to share my videos. And as always, take care and keep safe.